Hey, it's time for March favourites. So I really enjoyed actually doing like a bit more of a theme to my February one. So I'm gonna do more of like a health and lifestyle. I say health and lifestyle, more just bath products. This is bizarre. I mean, that's just how I roll. I'm gonna start off with a couple of things that aren't explicitly in that category. So first up we have my Baby Star Shine Bright umbrella parasol. I've only used it once, but it became a favourite because it protected me from the rain in a cute way. I love it. Treat yourself to a cute umbrella. It makes rainy days better when you have a cute umbrella. That's just a fact. I said it, therefore it's true. That doesn't go for everything, do not take that as advice. My next favourite is the hooded cape blanket that I got in my birthday closet child haul. As I predicted, I wear this literally all the time. I'll be sat there at my computer and I'll be like, it's great. I don't use the hood bit, but like I use the rest of the blanket, and it's really soft. It's really nice. Having like a short blanket for using the computer in when it's cold is definitely worth it. I would recommend. I'm going to move on to the bath stuff I've been loving this month because honestly I've just not been doing anything, but I have been taking baths. I'm going to start with my current shampoo and conditioner. People will be like, your hair looks like shit. Yeah, my hair's not great, but you know, sometimes it's nice to just have a product that you like. So I've been using Faith in Nature. This is the aloe vera and I think it's just aloe vera? Yeah, aloe vera shampoo and conditioner. I've used the conditioner way more and I'm very excited to go and get this refilled. So the shop in the village my parents live in, they refill these and it's cheaper than buying a new bottle, and it's better for the planet because you don't have to throw the bottles away. You can go and get them refilled and they're nice and easy to refill, and they're made in the UK. They're made in England in Greater Manchester, which isn't actually too far from here. So yeah, I'm very excited about this conditioner and shampoo change I've made with my life. They're very nice. They smell of aloe vera and lemony lime, kind of like a Sprite but with aloe vera kind of vibe. But yeah, if you're looking to change up your hair routine and you're in the UK and you're like, I want something natural and nice and vegan and cruelty free, I like Faith in Nature. The one that was recommended for my hair, unfortunately I'm allergic to, so I just went with the next best. I have a fruit allergy, but these are good. So my next March fave is my bubble bath. I'm really like, there's not many things that I've liked this month because I just haven't done anything, but my amazing bubble bath from Imperial Leather. As you can see, I have absolutely trucked through this. I'm down to like one bath's worth. This is really good. I'm sad about the bottle not being refillable, but you know, it's like that sometimes. So yeah, this smells of marshmallows and it's really bubbly, and that's basically the entire reason that I like it. It's pink, it's marshmallow, it's bubbly, it's great. We're gonna just pop these on here. And my final like bath fave, this is actually like my second bottle of it, is the Imperial Leather Cosmic Unicorn. This is a shower gel. So sometimes I have a shower, sometimes I have a bath. And this is Moon and Sparkles Unicorn Dust, and I think it's kind of like a violet-y, lavendery smell. Does it say on the back? It doesn't actually say exactly which smell it is, but it's like it's a purple floral. I can't explain better than that, but it's really nice, and the bottle's cute, and it's slightly iridescent. So another thing I've been really into again is burning Yankee candles. This one is on a repair mission because of all the tunneling and like residue that's left on the side. But yeah, I've been really back into burning them. So this one's a Simply Home Fuji Apple. It's a bit older now, but it's a nice smell. And then I've been trying to finish Soft Cotton for a while as well. I don't like the residue these ones leave on the side, so I'm gonna try and finish them, and then maybe I'll use the jars for something like jewellery or something fun. I don't know. If you've got any ideas, do tell me, because they're really cute. That was a really short March favourites, but I'll see you next time.